Hey guys, welcome to How to Online. In this video, I'm going to show you how to archive Reels on Instagram. So make sure that you are using the updated version of Instagram. Okay, so let's open the Instagram. We have to go to the profile, which is on bottom right side corner. So here you can see that I have one Instagram post and I have one Reel. Okay, which is uploaded here. So if I just go to the post, I will just show you an example. If you click on the three dots which is on top right side corner, and here you can see the option of the archive, which you can archive your post, right? And but if you just go to the reel and if you just click on the three dots, and you will not get any option to archive, right? So if I just click on here and if I just click on the three dots, you will not get here any option of archive. But if you just go from the this post section and if I click on the three dots here, you can see there is the option of archive. So if I click on the archive, my post will get archived, right? So that reel has got archived. So if I just go to the reel section, the reels will available in the reel section, but in the post section the reels will not be shown, right? So this is how you can do it, but you can't archive your reel completely. Okay, you can just archive your reel just from the post grid, not from the Instagram grid. So I hope guys you found this video really useful, and if you did, leave a comment down below. Make sure to like this video, subscribe our channel. See you guys in the next